cup of rhubarb, diced rhubarb. And this rhubarb's been pre-washed by the rain we had last night. Although I will have to get the dirt off of it. Let's go see if I have some more in my front patch. Zest of 1 lemon.
And I hope to get 1 to 2 tablespoons left over for the glaze.
I'll just set that aside, the remainder for the glaze. There's at least a tablespoon there, I think. And we're prepping 1 cup of diced rhubarb. Got lots here. Now we need a 1/2 cup butter. One cup of sugar. And I've got a little bit less than 1 cup. I like things not too sweet. 2 eggs. The instructions I have for this recipe aren't very involved, so like there's no directions. We're just winging it. Or 1/4 cup lemon juice. And the lemon zest. Mix all that together. Need a mixer. So the butter is separated, probably because of the lemon. I don't think it's going to matter in the end. It's all baked together. We shall see. Now, 1.5 cups all-purpose flour. Half a teaspoon baking powder. Half a teaspoon baking soda. and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Just going to give that a little stir, the dry ingredients, and then blend it together with my mixer. Because it's a loaf, I don't want to over mix it. And turn it into a bread. I will add 1/2 cup sour cream or yogurt, and I have yogurt, plain yogurt. Or 1 cup of diced rhubarb. And I'm just going to fold that in. I'm going to preheat my oven for 350 degrees. This is very light and fluffy. I like it. Greasing my loaf pan with the leftover butter wrapper. It's getting really dark here. I think we're in for a thunderstorm. And now I'm going to pour this into the pan, the loaf pan. And I have a small loaf pan. I hope it's big enough. And we'll bake it for 50 to 60 minutes.
A few moments later.
We just got a tornado warning, which we never get in this area. If our hydro goes out, my rhubarb loaf will be stuck in the oven until it comes back on. Our eaves troughs are overflowing again. That's never a good sign. It's done. I'll let it cool for about 20 minutes in the pan and then get it out. That's it, the storm's over. Some birds chirping now. Tornado did not hit anywhere around here, at least. I'm going to see if I can get this loaf out of the pan. Ta-da! Actually, I want it the other way around. That's good. I'm gonna let it cool some more and then I'll make the glaze that goes over top. I'm making the glaze now. I have 1/2 cup of icing sugar and And I hope I have enough lemon juice. It says 1 to 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Add that. The loaf is still a little bit warm. I think that's okay. It has some cracks in it, but I'm going to add a few more holes. All right, let's give this a little taste test. See pieces of rhubarb here and there. I'm gonna try it first without the extra drizzle that I made. It's really good. It's got the tang from the rhubarb and the lemon and a lot of sweetness from the sugar. I wouldn't even add any more drizzle to that, but I'm sure my family would.
It's nice and moist. Good.
Good.
Just got the rhubarb.